In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Microsoft To-Do List on your desktop 2026 full guide. We'll walk through installing the app from the Microsoft Store, placing it somewhere convenient on your desktop or taskbar, and signing in so your tasks sync across devices. Keep your internet connection on, and let's jump in. First, open the Microsoft Store. The quickest way is to click the Start button and type Microsoft Store, then open it from the results. If the store asks to update itself, let it finish before continuing. This helps avoid installation hiccups later. Next, use the store's search bar at the top to type Microsoft To Do. In the results, select the official Microsoft To Do app from Microsoft Corporation. Checking the publisher ensures you're getting the genuine app and not a lookalike. On the app page, you can skim the description to confirm you're in the right place. Now click Get or Install. If you see Get, it means the store will add the app to your library and then install it. If it says Install, you've likely added it before and just need it back on this device. You might be prompted to sign in to the Microsoft Store. Go ahead and do that if asked. Watch the progress indicator until the installation completes. Once it's finished, you can launch the app right from the store page using the Open button. Alternatively, open the Start menu, choose All Apps, and find Microsoft To Do in the list. Launching it from either place is perfectly fine. With the app open, make it easy to access every day. On the taskbar, right-click the Microsoft To Do icon and choose Pin to Taskbar. That keeps it one click away. If you prefer a desktop shortcut, open the Start menu, find Microsoft To Do under All Apps, then click and drag it onto your desktop. You'll see a shortcut appear right where you drop it. Finally, sign in to sync. In Microsoft To Do, choose to sign in with your Microsoft account so your lists, tasks, and reminders automatically sync across your PC, phone, and the web. Give the app permission to send notifications so reminders show up on time. If you rely on reminders, double check that Focus Assist or Do Not Disturb isn't hiding them in Windows. That's it. You've installed Microsoft To Do from the store, placed it exactly where you want it on your desktop or taskbar, and signed in for seamless syncing. Open it anytime to capture tasks, plan your day, and stay on track.